again. I'm going to the swimming pool. We extend already here. So we're gonna go to the swimming pool today. I hope nobody is here. Or the laundry, they have it. So much people in there. So here, I'm gonna be here by myself. I like it because I'm only one. Last night, so many people. I like here. beautiful, guys. I love I'm be alone, so I'm so enjoying it, exercising here. So yeah, thank you for viewing my YouTube channel. If you like, thank you so much. If you don't, I don't care. Thank you. Okay, there's a coming boat here. Probably that's Ocean Jet. Yeah, it looks like an Ocean Jet. Nice views here. The views of looking. Look at the ferry boat of Pascat. So this is the Dumaguete Ocean. The view there. The view is very surrounded by the ocean. The island of Dumaguete. So look at here. There's a market. That side. Market. So they're full in the DCCO Hotel is close to the downtown. That side, there's the boulevard there. There's a boulevard that side along the ocean. So, and this is the area of the downtown there. So you don't worry about here, guys. Close everything. The malls. So yeah, because also here in our places, we're in the Mang now. It's very close. Recommend this hotel. A lot of guests here, guys, in the DCCO Hotel. A lot. This is a cooperative group membership. So they own this, the Dumaguete members. So they have, it's very nice. They have a hotel. So their money, share with their money is goes to the hotels, build the hotel. So that's very good. They have a dividend for every year. Yeah, they have it, and so we love to be here. What I said is this place is for our second home. If ever we don't have no water service interruption, if there's interruptions, so an electric power service interruption, so easy, we just go here because at the first place very cheap, the price is affordable, and yeah, and very nice. The restaurant is good. The food sometimes is you can comment a little bit, but really it's very good. It's very good, not at all, because we are not perfect, so sometimes we are expecting like that, but not at all, because yeah, what I said is there's no perfect chef of the kitchen. So it's depend also the management, the how budgets. That's what the problem. So but in fairness, guys, it's a very good locations, a place to stay in this hotel. This is Siku. So yeah, you will not worried about it, because the area here is close to the downtown locations. Close everything. I cannot say only walking distance. Some of them is a walking distance, but more or less is closer only, and you can just ride trikes here, because the transportation here mostly is the trikes. They don't have what you call this, taxi like that. You don't expect here a taxi, but there's some jeepneys, and you can also rent a car, motorcycle, so you don't worry about it, because a lot here you can rent a car, and you can rent a trikes, you can rent bikes. So yeah, that's it. I can say it for this locations. So, and what I said is a second home. This place for us. It's close to our house location where we belong for rents. We are also a renter here, but yeah, we don't have a house here, because I'm not born in Dumaguete. I'm from Cagayan de Oro, born in my mother's town is in Cagayan de Oro City. Cagayan de Oro City, so that's why I belong in my city town. I'm not belong here. So I have my condo in Cagayan de Oro City, but my husband, I don't know why he loved here. The first place probably is not populated places, not more pollution. The environment is good for the health. Maybe that's the reasons, and maybe also knowledge for the YouTubes. So some of the idea, it came from the YouTube. But in fairness, this place is too much already foreigner. So I don't like this place totally, because too much already tourist people here, and this government here is take advantage, much taxes, skin tax, they said. They're taking advantage the people, establishments, the business peoples also taking advantage for the and the rents also they're taking. But as you compare from the Manila, but actually this is a very cheap places of this island of Dumaguete. Very cheap of the taxes, not like Manila, very expensive, because that's a capital city in the Philippines. So it's being expected, that should be expecting for that price there is too much. Even the transportation is too much. Here also is very too much transportation, but I confirmed to my city town again. It's so very expensive here, the transportation rather than there. So that's why I love my city towns. But I still recommend it because we are here. I have no choice for my husband Walter to love these places. So yeah, for peace and quiet, maybe that's the reason also he loves this. But for me, but he doesn't also wanted to have it, to buy here, property. No, it's not his plan. For me also, it's not my plan to be staying here forever here. That's it, only a home base for us. That's it. So we don't know what's gonna be happen for years. A lot. So yeah, guys. I will go with my swimming and enjoy, and that's why we are here, because of water service interruptions. We don't have, I think there is, but low pressures, because I see my meter base is turning, rotating, so less only rotating. But I don't know, until now we don't have it. It's already 4 days as of now are staying these places, no water. That's why the reason we are here. This is our second, what I said, it's our second home. We stay at this place. So yeah, like the interruptions, also the power service. So we just quickly go here. Yeah, it's affordable price. Yes guys, thank you for viewing my YouTube channel, Mel Walks Expat, and have a wonderful day to everyone. I don't like to talk very, because I'm not a fluent English, I'm a Filipino, so my accent's not good, so I'm not also a crooked English. So I'm so sorry. That's what I'm in my video. So it's up for you. Thank you. Hello, happy Sunday weekend. I'm going here again in the swimming pool of Disisico Hotel. So we just exercise, guys. Just doing exercise. Doing exercise, guys. viewing my YouTube channel, Mel Waltz Expat, and have a wonderful day to everyone.